So now here we have a question for division of polynomials. Question is, divide this by divisor and express the result in quotient form. Here the dividend is x cube 3x square negative of 2x and positive 5, and we divide it by x plus 1. So here we start by looking at the first term of dividend and divisor. So we want to make the power same. So we take the first term in the quotient x square and we multiply divisor by x square to write x cube plus x square. And we place the two values below the same powers and we subtract these two. So here like terms will cancel with opposite signs, and here in the second term we are left with 2x square. Now taking next term here, again we look at the first term of dividend and divisor. So we will take next term in the quotient as 2x and multiply x plus 1 by 2x. So we get 2x square plus 2x. So again we subtract. So this is negative of 2 and negative 2, 4x. And next term is 5. So now we take quotient negative of 4 and here also negative of 4, and we subtract, like these two terms cancel, and here we get 9 as remainder. So in quotient form the answer is x cube plus 3x square negative of 2x plus 5 when divided by x plus 1, and we have x square plus 2x negative of 4 plus 9 divided by x plus 1. So this was the first answer, and the second answer is, this is part A and part B, and restriction on the variable is that divisor cannot be 0, imply x is not equal to minus 1. And number 3, the divisibility statement is that can be verified very easily by simple multiplication. This equals divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So this was the corresponding divisibility statement. So we divide 3x power 4, 4x cube, 6x square, 17x minus 8 by 3x minus 4. So we compare the first term of divisor and dividend. So the first term of quotient will comes out x cube. So we get 3x power 4, 4x cube, and we subtract these two, both will cancels. Next term we will take out this. So here we will multiply by negative of 2x. So we get negative of 6x square plus 8x. So that is, when we subtract, so we get negative of 8x plus 17x. Subtracting these two, so we get 4 as a remainder. So here in the quotient form, this is 3x power 4, 4x cube, 6x square, 17x minus 8 when divided by 3x minus 4. The quotient is x cube minus 2x plus 3, and we have remainder 4 divided by 3x minus 4. And B part, any restriction is that 3x minus 4, divisor cannot be 0, x cannot be 4 by 3. And the third part, divisibility statement is that dividend 3x 4x cube 6x square equals divisor into divisor into quotient plus remainder. Answer. Next we have the question to determine remainder, so that the product of these two factors plus remainder is equals to this. So actually we have this is product of quotient and divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So this can be done by divisibility method again. If we divide 6x square minus x plus 15 by 2x minus 3, let's find out the remainder. So looking at the first term of dividend and divisor, the quotient will be 3x, that we already know. So it will be 6x square minus of 9x. So subtracting these two, so this will cancel, and here we have 8x plus 15, and here next term in the quotient will be 4, 8x minus 12, and subtracting, so we get 27 here. Write the divisibility statement here. 6x square negative of x plus 15 equals 2x minus 3 times quotient plus remainder. So comparing these two, r is 27. Next question, we have a statement sum. The volume in cubic centimeter of a rectangular box can be modeled by the polynomial this. Determine the possible dimensions of box if the height in centimeters is given by x plus 5. We know the volume of a rectangular box is length into width into height, and here we are given the equation of volume as well as height. The other dimensions will be calculated by this way if we divide volume by height. So let's do the divisibility. 2x cube, 17x square, 38x plus 15 divide by x plus 5. And looking at the first term, so the first term in the quotient is 2x square, that will give us 2x cube plus 10x square. So taking the difference, so we have 7x square, taking the other term down. So now the next term in the quotient is 7x. So it becomes 7x square plus 35x. Taking the difference, so we have 3x. Next term is 15. So it goes on 3. So we have 3x plus 15. So both will cancel, remainder is 0. So very easily here the product of length and breadth is 2x square plus 7x plus 3, which can be factored by sum and product method. Here the sum is 7 and product is 6, which may be written as 6x plus x plus 3. So here both divisible by 2x, x plus 3, and taking 1 outside, both divisible by x plus 3, and we are left with 2x plus 1. So the other dimensions are x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. So this is how we get the answer.